G'day champions, time for another Dry July beverage review, non-alcoholic beverage review, using this whiskey glass so it doesn't get lonely, because this man needs a drink. So today we're trying out whatever the hell this is. The only thing it says in English is since 81. So that looks like Korean to me. I did get it from the local sushi joint. There's a lot going on there. So we'll have a look with Google Translate to see what it actually translates to. That should be rather funny. They look like little teddy bears. So before I translate it, I just want to go in with the element of surprise and just have no idea what it is. It's got some braille there on the top. Must say like pull to open or something in braille, I'm not sure. But that's pretty cool if it is braille. So let's have a look at how it pours. Alright, so we'll crack this thing. That didn't feel carbonated. And the can's half empty. There's like a good ½ inch at the top. Guess I'm just used to beers that are almost completely full. So what colour is it? Clear. I was not expecting that. I was expecting green, probably because of the can. Duh. So that's clear. It's got a slight yellowy tinge to it, and it's not carbonated, but it's a little bit cloudy. So let's see what the hell it is. Oh, whoa. That's familiar, but I can't put my finger on what it is. That's like pure confectionery, that is. That's like sherbet? No. It's like lollipops. I don't know, can you tell me what it is? Have a smell. Shell's here. What's that? Is that Jolly Ranchers or something? I don't know. It's familiar though, isn't it? Or Redskins?
Yeah, but it also smells like dirty.
Dirty? Oh God, what am I drinking? Oh, that should be illegal to have that much sugar in anything. Oh my God, that is giving me a headache already. Oh God. Yeah, that's, I don't know what to describe that as. Oh Jesus, that is intense. That's like, I don't even know how to describe it. Again, let's try it with a bit of SodaStream, carbonated water, which will probably let it breathe a little bit, take it back down to earth. It's so sugary that when I poured that in, I could see the swirls I could still see the swirls from like different densities of fluid mixing together. Alright, so we've got Google Translate fired up here. Appears to be Korean. The grains are sook in fresh juice. The grains, okay. Bonbon. Grape. So it's got grapes. Well, yeah, I guess they're grapes. What's it say down the bottom? Grape granules, highly concentrated. Yeah, no shit. Formulation content, 99% grape. Strength with pottery juice. I don't know what that means. What's this say? 5% reduction. Bonbon. So that just says bonbon over and over again. Bonbon, bonbon. Grape bonbon. Well, let's have a look at the nutritional information if it can focus. Trans fat 0. Oh, that's got something going for it. 31 grams of sugar in this tiny little can. Individual calorie needs may vary. Oh my God. 238 mils and 30 grams of sugar in it. Wow. So there you go. Korean. Well, there's the grapes we were talking about. They're in the can, man. That's it's really weird. It's like they put little bits of fruit in there just to remind you that it is a fruit-based drink, because it has been so refined so far away from being its original form. So thanks for watching again, champions. I like to say at the end of every video, donation links down below. If you can't donate, just follow along for a laugh, comment, call me a dickhead. I enjoy it. I'm used to it by now. And I'll see you on the next one. This was number 2. Get ready for number 3.